clever, patented Tim way of doing this. What do I do? I launch.
Oh, yeah.
What's the other thing I launch? Yeah, I just launched.
Okay, so you start quick.
Got QuickTime going.
Okay, so go back to QuickTime.
Yeah.
Click it and do a new movie recording. But don't press the button.
Okay, got it.
And now just make it big, full screen, little green button. And then you can go back and forth. And so now when you want to show exactly. When you want it to see your you talking or the board, you just.
So you have to really be like on your toes.
Well, and then just click back to the screen. Because otherwise, when someone's watching a screen recording, if you're talking, they just see a blank screen.
Yeah, it's true. But I guess an easier or less advanced model is to put yourself like in a little window there.
Yeah, you can do that and move it around. That looks fine too. And I think you can get rid of that.
This thing.
That little record window somehow. Oh, you just move the mouse out. Is that how it works?
No, as soon as I move it away, it does it again.
I don't know. Or you can move that window up to the top or something.
Oh. Does it have a little X thing?
Right, can I try and upload this?
Yeah.
Push the upstream?
Yeah.
I get this error. Can you turn on section for
So I haven't been able to figure out how to do that either to push to upstream. So what I do is clone a repository separate.
Yeah.
And then do an eclipse and load from source. Right? So I just use that make a new project from existing source.
Okay.
Yeah. And then you can go to the team thing and make that a Git repository. And then what you do is you do all your local stuff there. You can use Git locally, and then just go on that one using command line to get push or remaster.
Nope, that's not it.
And then there may be some, but it's asking for a password, not a password.
The first time I prompted for a password.
What's that?
I think it's a GitHub password.
I don't have a GitHub password.
What?
Oh, I guess I do. That's when I do have a GitHub password. That's right. But then I can't change the name. It just says Git.
Yeah, but the link is unique to that username anyway.
Well, the username says Git.
Yeah,
I can't change it.
No, I know. Yeah. But that's related to the link anyway. So
And then I typed in a GitHub password and it didn't.
Yeah.
Didn't work.
I installed IntelliJ. I think it's going to be bad. It works a lot better than Android in this case. I haven't set it up with it.
Oh, okay.
But you're on Mac, and the problem children are all on Windows, aren't they?
Oh, I'm having problems with that. Pushing.
I have, it's.
Oh,
I have a slightly different version, I think, for some reason that I don't know, and it's working. I've never had a problem. But I mean, just use the command line.
I know.
You know.
Yeah. The trouble with the command line is that you yes, when you pull down, you get out of sync with the project.
Just check in the .project file. That's what I do. I check in .classpath and .project. That's what I did for the longest time without before I had the plugin.
Just check in the .class and .project.
Yeah. And check it in and out. So when you work in Eclipse and you modify it, it doesn't change that often. And when you check in the new one. And you check it out, you get a new one.
Okay. Yeah. So that one's, well, we'll stick with what I have right now.
Yeah, if it's working there. Yeah, right. Yeah, let's get started. Okay, shall we start?
Okay.
Thanks. Okay, so it's going to be, go ahead.
So I made Gasparilla collaborator for the JBS 2000
Yes,
Oh, you want the other one now? Gas-5?
no, that's very.
Double A.
No, Gasparilla. It's a collaborator. Gasparilla is collaborator.
I didn't get it.
Reload it?
Okay, guys.
Okay, we'll talk about it later.
So,
I'll do it after lunch.
so it's early in the morning, and I'm starting us off with a root pivot. I hope that's okay. Yeah. Okay. Good. So everybody eat calisthenics. No. So here's what I'd like to do. First of all, probably some of you don't know the term mind map. Doing a mind map. Who knows? Who's ever heard of a mind map? All it is like a two-dimensional outline. It makes it easy to brainstorm. So if you're doing a mind map, wait. Okay. Pen. If you're doing a mind map about games, you might put here, this is about the aesthetics. You might say here you have graphics or audio or whatever. And so basically the idea is it's like an outline that allows you to add things at random. So it's easier than that. So when you're working in a group, you're having a mind map. So what I would like to do is to have you guys get together in groups 4 approximately, and just huddle for about 10 or 15 minutes, and using what you read and using your intuition, make a mind map that says, not this, I'm in the wrong place. Here. Basically of all the concepts that are related to game design. So if you want to teach a course on game design or talk about game design to somebody, what are all the things that are involved? What are all the issues and so on? And just go crazy. There's no right or wrong, obviously, but it's a way to sort of start thinking. Forgetting about GitHub and so on, read about game design as for a day, get that mindset and use what you know from your experience to come up with a mind map on a piece of paper. I was going to have you guys do the tools and that, so I gave up on that. On a piece of paper or on the whiteboard or whatever, of what are all the issues and concepts that you can think of in design this game. Okay? So it's a brainstorm. It'll be a little bit confusing at first, but just go for it. Start. Oh, yeah, you can form teams or not, or Okay. Did you figure out how to eliminate the little black thing? Yes.
No, I think you just have to move it around somewhere. Move it up the top. Oh, and this one has to be tightened.
In fact, we can put the screen up and have a little whiteboard.
Okay. You may want to pause this one. Oh.
Only standing.
Okay, should we just pause this, or do you want to?
Yeah, just pause it. Yeah.
Let's see how can you pause it?
Turn this thing off.
Actually, you may have to stop it. I don't know if there's a way of. Let's see.
Are we doing this for
Game, all the concepts that are related to game design, not for your game, but so I'm a game designer. What are the things I learned?
Alright, so for game design,
QuickTime Player. I think you just have to stop it.
Yeah.
I'll say,
I thought with you I saw that it didn't have the little black bar.
no, it does.
It does.
Okay, I'll stop it.